Namaskar, myself Rekha Sharma, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department Fashion and Interior from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. खुश रहो बेटियाँ. Today's our topic is optical illusion lines. As we all know about element of designs that are lines, texture, shape, dots and colors. So today we discuss about the optical illusion of lines. In this era of style and execution, everyone wants to present themselves as perfect. The word confidence is the main factor required to win the game, but many a times is what we love to the most about a dress would not suit and look best on our build, as our body is changing throughout the years because we put on weight or lose weight. That may lead to change our body shape. Now, what is body shapes? An undesirable body shape will act as confidence reducing agent. But today is the world where every problem is born with its solution. Improper body shapes can be shown as perfect bodies by creating optical illusions for years and will always make you look and feel the best no matter the occasion and the age. Therefore, our dress style will change in regards how to create visual balance in our body silhouettes. Lines. How can we use lines as optical illusions? Optical illusions are best created by different types of lines. The amazing thing is that that a bulgy part of the body can be hidden with silhouettes, and heaviness can be shown on some parts by adding designer lines in the form of pleats, tucks, seam and necklines. Psychologically, lines make the eyes twist and control our brain in such a way that our eyes follow and fix on the design. When lines come together, the eyes follow them to the point at which they meet and become a focal point. Making the part of your body you want to smaller, we can use wider lines, and to making the part of body wider, we can use thinner lines or straight lines. Different lines. Conversely, when lines move away from each other, the eyes follow them to point to the end, which become a focal point and make you look wider. So the idea is to have lines come together or move away from each other to the point on your body that you either want to look smaller or you look wider, or your client wants to look smaller or wider. Thick line conveys strength and alterns, while thin line implies firmness and stability in one's character. There are an infinite number of physical features, and each person has their own unique combination of these. So, what types of lines? The illusion of balance and proportion can be created with basics of knowledge of some important style lines. The lines are classified as structural or designer or printed. What is structural lines? Structural lines are the silhouettes that provides the outline and basic structure to our dress. For example, A-line, sheath, empire, etc. Designer lines not only adds beauty and details in the dress, but also their placement and types allow a person to emphasize on desired part or hide the bulgy part. It is the design added to the structure of dress. Example, tucks, gathers, pleats, princess seams or panels, hemlines, etc. Printed lines are referred to the print of fabric that symbolize many things and helps to look lean, heavy, long or short. These are of different type like lines like vertical line, horizontal lines, diagonal lines, curved lines, etc. What is vertical lines? Vertical lines give the impression of height and slimness when repeated at equal intervals by leading the eyes from top to bottom. Vertical lines close together will make you thinner, while two vertical lines far apart will make you look wider. Although vertical lines in clothing may be created by strips, vertical lines can also be created by seam lines, panels, or hem lines, pleats, tucks, etc. in clothing that run up and down. Horizontal lines tend to broaden or shorten the figure by emphasizing width. They divide height, especially when more than one line is used at a time. Styles that accent the horizontal lines are yoke, wide waistbands, extended shoulders, battue necklines, dropped and empire waistlines. What is diagonal lines? A diagonal line can have two effects depending on whether it is at a more vertical or horizontal angle. Eyes always move from the upper to the lower end of a diagonal line. A shorter diagonal line, more horizontal, will cause the eye to move quickly from one end of the line to the other, creating an illusion of width. On the other hand, the longer diagonal, more vertical, will lead the eye more slowly, creating a longer, thinner appearance. Remember, for the most pleasing results, the diagonal should follow the same direction. The eyes move from left to right, top to bottom. It produces the same effect as straight lines of similar placements. Curved and beauty to the garment and the tailor's styles like frills, flounces. The visual impact is softer and more graceful. The curved line used in the body seam of front closures creates the illusion of softness. Curved line always look a feminine look, and it create illusion of softness, while horizontal or vertical line is more pronounced. These are not suggested to use in menswear as it is more feminine and it shows gentleness and smoothness. Zigzag lines. Visually, it is the eye-catching nut, and the person's character cannot be defined as zigzags create confusion in one at the sight of it. These lines are perfectly creates illusion for hourglass figure, as we learned our previous session. Perfect dress on body contributes to quality of life and pleasure and satisfaction from human sensation through experience of sight. Fashion and style will allow for flexibility and creativity. There is a unique method of looking for lines that will create balance and harmony in your overall personality. Creation of illusion to gain perfect dress fit for all the body types, to look smart with the use of different line assembles, the happiness and confidence of the wearer to execute it perfection to the world and go ahead to enhance its ambitions. If we know about different types lines and that practically how to illusion them, we will make more beautiful designs for our client and perfection the dresses for our client. So we have to use the illusion of lines in our dresses in our client dresses to give them more happiness, the satisfaction of body wearer, and creation of illusion to gain perfect dress fit for all the type of body shapes, to give a confidence of our client and looks more beautiful in these dresses. Thank you.